Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Now, for the past 2 weeks, the market hasn't been that generous with us. We have been getting very few trading opportunities, and some of them, or most of them, didn't really play out that nice. But obviously, as we understand, September is one of the best performing months of the year, according to our strategy. So that means these coming 2 weeks will obviously be killer months. So with that being said, let's see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming for the rest of the month. So this is on the DXY weekly. We can see we did anticipate to see prices keep on being bullish before they continue the bearish trend, as prices did break below this low and close below this low. Now, last week we can see prices closed with the doji, indicating a lack of momentum after the bears just tried to take over the bullish momentum. Now, this is a great indication that prices are now going to start buying as the bears have just lost momentum. So we are going to see prices buy until somewhere here before we start seeing sells. So for this coming week, I'll be anticipating to see DXY buy until it reaches somewhere here. Now, how will this be playing out? According to or with other currency pairs. With Euro USD, obviously we understand that it's inversely correlated to DXY. So we are going to be seeing sells until somewhere here. We have GU, which already broke this low, so we can already see it's in a downtrend. We had a high, we had a lower high, we had a low, we had a high, we had a low, we had a lower high, lower low. Now prices seem to have created another lower high. So obviously we're going to anticipate to see prices keep on selling. Nowadays, gold isn't really going along with the DXY. So it's on a market of its own, like it's moving on its own terms. It isn't really following the DXY correlation. As we can see here, DXY or gold has just been pumping crazy. So with that being said, I'm going to anticipate to see gold keep on pushing higher as the trend is still bullish. Maybe a little bit retracement there before we see a continuation. But as far as comparing gold with DXY, I wouldn't really be doing that right now. So that's my analysis on the US dollar currency pairs and what I anticipate them to do this coming week. We do have Jpyx as another index. So we can see prices have broken above this high and then given us a retest. So with this, obviously you understand that prices are now going to be or to continue being bearish on the DXY pairs. We did take this trade with the people in the VIP. CAR JPY is sell trade. So if you wanna know more about the VIP, you can hit me in the Telegram that's linked in the description. We did go break even after prices did push over 1 hour in our direction, and then prices came back, stopped us at break even, and then pumped all the way down here to over 3 hour. So it does happen. It does happen. I don't blame myself. If the opportunity presents itself, I would trade it the exact same way I did. The thing with trading is that the first priority is to protect your capital. Then the second or secondary priority is to then look for gains. But your primary priority is to protect your capital. And a lot of traders don't do this. But we did do that in this particular trade. So I don't blame myself. And I would do the exact same thing if I'm given the opportunity to do so. So we were stopped at break even, but prices did drop all the way to continue selling. So obviously I'm anticipating to see a continuation in the JPYX. I'm anticipating to see prices keep on selling until this will be the first targets, obviously. If you look at it from a weekly perspective, you can see prices have already broken below these lows. So these will be the next lows after prices break these lows right here. These will be the next lows. So we do also have Euro JPY. Right now, we can see prices are on the support. Now, should prices break below here, we'll be looking for continuation on the sell side. So that's my view on the JPYX pairs and what I anticipate them to do this coming week. So if you found value in this video, consider giving us a like, subscribe, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this video. Till next time, guys, let's have a killer week. Let's make September worth it. Peace.